In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove product from cart in WooCommerce. Let's walk through this together step by step, so you know exactly what to do the next time you want to update or clean up your shopping cart. First, make sure you're on the website where you've been adding products to your cart. You'll usually see the cart icon at the very top of the page, most commonly in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This icon often looks like a small shopping bag or trolley, and it may also display a number that shows how many items are currently in your cart. Move your mouse to that cart icon and click on it. As soon as you do, a drawer or side panel will slide open from the right side of the screen. This is your mini cart. It gives you a quick overview of everything you've added so far, without taking you away from the page you were browsing. Inside this cart drawer, you'll see a list of all the products you've added. Each product is usually displayed with its name, a small image, the price, and the quantity. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the specific item you want to remove. This is especially helpful if you have several products in your cart and you only want to delete one or two of them. Under each product, you'll see a button or link labeled Remove Item. Sometimes this might be shown as a text link, and other times as a small icon like an X or a trash bin. But the purpose is the same. It lets you delete that product from your cart. Once you've located the product you want to remove, go ahead and click the Remove Item button beneath it. After you click, the product will be instantly removed from your cart. You should see it disappear right away from the list in the drawer. The cart total will also update automatically to reflect the new amount, so your subtotal and item count are always accurate. If you change your mind later, you can always add the product back to your cart by returning to the product page and clicking the Add to Cart button again. And that's all there is to it. By using the cart icon at the top right and the Remove Item button inside the cart drawer, you can quickly manage and remove any products you no longer want to purchase in WooCommerce.